Orphan risks that fall under the domain of organizations and systems are associated with how businesses operate and the broader social, economic, and political environment they operate within. And quick tip, you can find these color-coded in light blue on our activities, documents, and on our website. The 6 dimensions of risk in this domain are bad actors, geopolitics, governance and regulation, organizational values and culture, reputation and trust, and standards. So how do you know which of these risks may threaten your organization? We'll suggest starting by reading through some of the questions we've come up with. You'll find a link to the full list of questions below. If a question resonates with you and seems applicable to your organization or project, take a closer look at the associated orphan risks. Let's look at an example. How could evolving regulations and norms around the use of personal data affect your business? If this question resonates with you, maybe your website or app collects user information, but you haven't set a process on what you'll do with that data. Maybe you already have a process, but you've learned of changes in regulations that will likely impact it. Then we recommend you spend some time looking into the associated orphan risks. In this case, governance and regulation, standards, and reputation and trust. Also, take a closer look at privacy, social trends, and loss of agency. For each question, we have listed multiple associated orphan risks. While they may not all be applicable to you, we encourage you to consider how multiple risks might work in conjunction to pose a multifaceted threat to your organization or project. Planning for just one of these orphan risks may not be enough to help you navigate forward successfully. So again, we encourage you to make a note of every risk associated with the questions that seem most applicable to your organization or project. Later, we'll introduce additional tools that will help you prioritize these risks and plan accordingly. You can find a full list of questions and their associated orphan risks on our website.